I finished rebuilding my Ariens tiller. I completely disassembled it, repainted, cleaned up the carburetor on it, adjusted the valves, and did a lot of other miscellaneous work on it. And it's back in one piece again. This is a 1970 or 71 Ariens tiller. It has a 3 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine on it. Someone did put an electronic ignition on this motor at some time. When I disassembled it, I found out it did not have any points on it. But I got it up and running. Here's the detail of what it looks like in the back. I actually put a larger pulley on the motor so it will spin the tines faster. I put a new seal and a new bearing on the back side of the gear case, back in this area on the back of the gear case. This is how the belt guide goes on. This is the tensioner mechanism right here. This is the tensioner mechanism. It tensions the pulley to make it move the tines, and that's how you operate it.